How to understand what decentralized compute is. It's easy to learn. Are you ready? Let's go. Decentralized compute is taking over cryptocurrency right now. As artificial intelligence sector starts taking over cryptocurrency, it's worth watching until the very end. The shift toward decentralized compute is driven by critical economic and technical factors that make centralized clouds unsustainable for future web demands. 1. Solving the global AI GPU shortage. The explosion of generative AI, large language models (LLMs), and 3D graphics. 2. Radical cost efficiency. Centralized cloud providers lock customers into high-margin pricing models, with a significant portion of the cost going toward corporate overhead. 3. Censorship resistance and sovereign AIAs. Artificial intelligence increasingly dictates the flow of human information, relying on 3 or 4 megacorporations to host all global AI models. Let's dig deeper into decentralized compute. There are 7 coins you need to learn about. Decentralized compute is an infrastructure model that pools idle processing power from global devices, ranging from enterprise data centers to individual gaming rigs, and aggregates them into a unified, blockchain-managed network. Often categorized under DEPIN, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, it bypasses traditional centralized cloud providers like AIAs, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud to deliver computing power, primarily graphics processing units (GPUs), at a fraction of the cost. Core crypto coins involved in decentralized compute. The primary tokens dominating this sector serve as the financial and incentive layer, rewarding providers for hardware uptime and allowing clients to buy computing time. These 7 AI crypto coins are leading decentralized compute right now in 2026. Render Network, the market leader in decentralized GPU power. Originally built for heavy 3D graphics rendering, it has aggressively scaled its infrastructure to support AI inference and machine learning workloads. AKT, Akash Network, an open-source, super cloud, marketplace. It uses a reverse auction mechanism where developers state their required computing power, and independent providers bid for the work, driving costs significantly below Web2 cloud monopolies. Near Protocol. Near is a decentralized, an AI-focused layer -1 blockchain. Near is increasingly recognized for pushing agentic commerce, where autonomous AI agents transact on behalf of users. Near is a decentralized cryptocurrency. It operates via a globally distributed network of independent validators using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism rather than a central authority. EO.net, a highly specialized project built to aggregate massive distributed ML compute clusters. It binds together tens of thousands of independent GPUs globally, forming unified clusters capable of handling institutional-grade AI model training. DAO. Bitinsert. While slightly different, Bitinsert does not rent out raw hardware capacity. Instead, it tokenizes machine intelligence itself through decentralized subnets where node operators are paid to produce validated, high-quality AI processing outputs. Ether, an enterprise-grade provider generating notable network revenue by coordinating massive pools of enterprise GPUs. It targets high-throughput industries like AI inference and cloud gaming. ICP, Internet Computer, operates as a world computer protocol. Rather than just leasing out raw GPU space, it aims to replace corporate servers entirely by allowing web apps, smart contracts, and AI software to execute end-to-end natively on decentralized hardware. Its key structural blind spots to consider. If you are looking at these networks from an investment or structural perspective, you must monitor these technical constraints. Latencies and node clustering. Gathering 1,000 independent home GPUs across different continents introduces massive networking delays compared to a centralized data center where GPUs sit inches apart on high-speed fiber lines. Projects like EO.net are actively building software patches to simulate localized clusters. Quality of service cost fluctuation. Unlike AWS, a decentralized node can randomly lose power or disconnect. Networks combat this by requiring node operators to stake tokens as collateral, which are burned/slashed if the provider fails to fulfill their computing contract. Hardware monopoly risk. The network software is decentralized, but the ultimate physical supply chain is still highly centralized under manufacturers like NVIDIA. This is not financial advice, it's only a share. Make sure you do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Research everything every time, especially now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share this video. It really helps me out to grow the channel. Don't forget to come back often.